In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Midjourney bot on Discord. By the end, you'll know exactly how to join the official server, start prompting the bot, and generate images in a channel or in direct messages. First, open Discord on your desktop or mobile device and make sure you're signed in. On the left sidebar where your servers live, look for the small plus icon. Click it, then choose Join a Server. This is how you'll discover and enter the Midjourney community. In the search bar, type Midjourney. You should see the official Midjourney server appear in the results. Select it, then click Join Server to accept the invite. If Discord asks for any confirmations or rules, go ahead and accept those so you can get full access. Once you've joined, the Midjourney server will appear in your server list on the left. Click the Midjourney icon to enter the server. Inside, you'll find channels where the bot is active. Pick a beginner-friendly channel if you see one, or any channel that allows prompting. In the message box, you can talk to the bot using a prompt. The most common way is to start with the / command, imagine, then type your description. For example, you might write something like, imagine cinematic portrait of a fox, golden hour lighting. Press enter and the bot will get to work. When the images appear, Discord will highlight interactive buttons right under the result. Click the highlighted options to take your next steps. You'll see buttons that let you upscale a specific image to a higher resolution, make variations of an image you like, or rerun the prompt for a fresh set. Use these highlighted controls to refine results until you're happy. As you interact, the bot may open a thread for that job. Follow the highlighted link if you want a cleaner view of just that image set and its updates. If you prefer a less crowded space, you can also use direct messages. Open your DMs and find Midjourney bot. Click the bot to open a private chat, then type your prompts there, just like you would in the server. This can be a great way to work without the noise of a busy channel and to keep your generations in one place. A few quick tips as you go. Be specific in your prompts, use clear subjects and styles, and iterate with the highlighted buttons to dial in details. When you're done, open an upscaled image and save it to your device. That's it. You now know how to use the Midjourney bot on Discord.